Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can import code from other sources to Gemini. So if you wish to import code rather than just a file, but you can also import it using links as well in Gemini. So let me show you how to do this. So for that, start a new chat and then click onto this add files option. Once you have clicked onto this add file option, you will see this option that says import code. Click onto this import code button and then type in the GitHub repository or the branch URL. So for example, I have typed in the repository link, then I'm going to click onto this import option. Be very sure that the repo must be public and it should be accessible. If it is not accessible, then the code will not be able to get imported. Now once this will be done, you can see that this artifact is now present over in the chat, and now you can make changes according to this particular code, and Gemini is ready to write code or remix this particular code that you have just added using the repo link. So that's how easily you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.